Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and this is Skelehead. Today I'm going to be making some instant oatmeal. I like to have instant oatmeal on hand. It's quick and easy recipe, so you can keep it on your shelf, throw it into a cereal bowl, add some hot water, and you've got breakfast. So let me show you the recipe that I use. So let's get started. So what you want to start with is some quick oats. You don't want instant oats, you don't want minute oats. I'm not even sure if that's the same thing, but I just use quick oats to make my instant oatmeal. I use Himalayan salt. I mean, you can use whatever salt you want. Then I've got some cinnamon, because I like brown sugar and cinnamon in my instant oatmeal, and of course my homemade brown sugar. So you can add whatever you really want. I mean, once you have the basics, which is the quick oats and the little bit of salt, you can add dried fruit, you can add nuts, you can add, I like maple syrup on my quick oats, also dandelion syrup as well, which is nice. So I'm going to make a batch of brown sugar and cinnamon, but you can add whatever you want to your instant oatmeal.
So here I'm starting with a half cup mason jar and a whole cup mason jar. I only know them as that. If anybody else knows what the correct sizes for these jars, let me know in the comment below. So if you're going to add all your ingredients before you store it away, just remember that you're going to have to leave a little bit of room when it comes to adding your nuts, your fruit, and such. So if you're going to add a large amount, make sure that you leave enough space at the top of the jar.
Here, take about a cup. I mean, I kind of just eyeball it a little bit, and then of course these ones are a half cup. So again, you can just eyeball it as to what you need, but the recipe that I use is half a cup or a cup.
So now you're going to have to add your salt.
At this point, you can just put a lid on it and store it in the cupboard. And then when you want to have instant oatmeal, all you have to do is empty it out in your cereal bowl, and you can add maple sugar or maple syrup and or dandelion syrup, or any syrup really you could add to it at this stage. So now I'm going to add my cinnamon and my brown sugar. I will leave a link at the end of the video for my brown sugar, the homemade brown sugar that I make. And so let me show you the next step.
So like I had mentioned earlier, if you're going to add fruit and nuts to the section, you want to make sure that you leave enough space in the jar to accommodate this. So here I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to the large jars. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to the small jars, and I'm actually adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to the large jars as well, because the person that I'm making the large jars for doesn't want that much cinnamon in their oatmeal, so this way I'm customizing it for that person.
So that's how easy it is to make instant oatmeal. So if you enjoyed this how-to video, you might want to go check out those ones as well. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.